Using voice in ChatGPT is a total game changer. It works in multiple languages. You can download a simple app, just takes 1 minute, and from then on you can talk to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will talk to you back. This really changes the way that you can work with ChatGPT. Let me show you some examples. The voice control is very easy to add to ChatGPT. It takes just a few seconds. I'm going to show you in a minute how to add the voice control, but first let me show you some examples of what you can do very easily when you can talk to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you produce a text for me at level B1 for learners of English? I want the text to be 5 places you recommend that people visit when coming to London. As you can see, ChatGPT is producing the text. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT another question. ChatGPT, can you take 10 of the keywords from that text that it would be useful for students to learn? You can see that ChatGPT's done that, and actually it's also given me a definition. ChatGPT, can we change the text into a closed text where the 10 words that you've highlighted we extract from the text so that the students have to write the words in themselves? Now ChatGPT is going to create a gap fill activity for me. I'm doing this all using my voice. So I'm going to write in the extension voice control for ChatGPT. So I'm searching on Google and I want this one here. So I'm going to click on this, and then all I'm going to do is click on this button here, add to Chrome. You need to confirm that you want to add the extension. Click here, click here, click here, and you should see that voice has been added. If the voice didn't add, click on the refresh button to refresh your page, and you should see that now the voice is working. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.